it's filming properly. I need to go fix it tomorrow. Yeah.
I heard that you've been having some trouble finding your place in the world. I know how much that hurts, but if you need a friend, then please just say the word.
Okay. Now, if that was actually filmed right, then I'm just gonna put the intro and make us look stupid, unless we do something funny. Alright, maybe this intro will go well and we won't have to freaking restart again. We are here to do some cool art designs on these shirts. I have a light purple, what I think is just a slightly darker pink than her shirt, because that's what it looks like, but out of the way. She has a red.
And I have one.
I'm going to use this tape right here, and I'm going to tape crazy designs on it, like if anybody who knows any of my art knows the weird crap I put on paper. She is then going to use this
Clorox.
Just spray down the shirt, even over the tape, I'm assuming, and then we're gonna peel the tape off and everything, and hopefully have some cool designs on it. Time lapse. My finger slips.
Okay, here's Lee's shirt. He's got the design fixed. And now he's working on mine. Okay, here's Lee's shirt. I'm getting it ready. Gotta put on one of William's old shirts because I don't want to mess up my shirt. Okay, we just finished mine. This is the design on it. Okay, it's probably because of the dark color, but I can already tell the difference in mine. When we peel the tape off, it's gonna have that cool design on it. That's just gonna be so cool. And I can't really tell the difference in Lee's. I sprayed some more Clorox on it to see if it would help. His is probably just gonna be like a lighter shade. All right, here's Nana's shirt. Fixing to spray it. Okay, there's Nana's shirt. And mine. And Lee's. I just see a few splotches down here in Lee's that are different.
We decided to come in the bathroom and blow dry it so it'll be more quick and hopefully dry quicker and look better. Okay, we are hopefully done with it now, and hopefully they will look good, although I think the only one that's going to look good to decent to good, I'd say, is Mommy's, because hers
It's a
is
dark color.
actually white, and it's a darker color. Here we go, everybody start peeling your tape off.
Yeah, no. It's barely even there, mine. Mine ain't even there. Is yours in there? No, it's there. It's just showing up a little bit. Yeah, it shows up where mine does now. Now, I'm going to tape those down for me, so maybe it wipes through on mine at least. Yeah, mine shouldn't be like that. You might as well use mine. Nobody told us how to do it. Nana, did you hear Mommy? She said nobody told us how to do it. And honestly, no offense to mine, but I figured anybody that was going to do this would figure that you needed a dark shirt. I told him to speak of something nice. Yeah, my dark spots are wet. Mine's probably going to bleach all over. I didn't know if I get. Oh my gosh. I don't think black would look bad. I think they would look cool with crazy looking different colors.
Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Hers didn't show up as good as either one of ours. Mine, I understand that it does show up better than Nana's, but if I'm walking out in regular daylight and everything, nobody's gonna notice that's barely a darker shade, so that's the only thing I have against mine.
We can wash them in hot water and see how
Yeah.
they do too.
Don't do anything to yours, because yours looks great. But hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please, like, comment, subscribe, stuff you're gonna be able to read in about 4 to 5 seconds, so hope you enjoyed, and peace.
Peace.